Hey everybody, just winding my day down. Made a trip down to the fish store today, brought some new fish home. So real soon we'll be doing some updates videos on that. But for tonight we're just going to have a couple of minutes of peaceful, relaxing look at my waterfall tank here and what I think of as sort of my sunset mode. I have one floodlight down lower here. It's a 2700K color temperature. Gives us a nice soft sunset sort of appeal. And tonight we get the added bonus of having some daylilies in bloom, and for the first time I'll actually get to see what the tank looks like with some daylilies being lit from underneath. So I don't know what's more relaxing, looking at the water, enjoying the waterfall, watching all the beautiful brightly colored fish swimming around, or, as in the case tonight, simply enjoying the twinkle of the light on the foliage. Alright everybody, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you real soon in the next one.